Want to hear your favorite quotes or practice pronunciation on the go? Check out Sound of Text. Sound of Text is an innovative tool that transforms your written words into MP3 audio files. By leveraging Google's advanced text-to-speech engine, you can easily convert text into audible sounds in seconds. Got a favorite quote? Need to practice pronunciation? Just type or paste your text, select a voice, and hit generate. It's that simple. With support for over 50 languages, including Indonesian, Hindi, and Vietnamese, Sound of Text is perfect for language learners and tech enthusiasts alike. Choose from male, female, or even children's voices. You can control the speed and volume too. Once you're happy with your audio, download it as an MP3 or share it directly on WhatsApp. Developers can even integrate this tool into their apps using our API. So, why wait? Try Sound of Text today and turn your words into sound effortlessly. Don't forget to share your feedback with us.